Welcome to the world's most famous Golf. We are absolutely blown away by the amount of views this car's had online. Over 300,000 views across our social media platforms. Hundreds of DMs from people asking us to do the long form video on the car so they can see a bit more detail. The original video was me over there driving next to the railway line with the train going past. I thought it was pretty cool, and obviously lots of other people did as well. But obviously we understand you're not going to buy a car just off that little 10-second clip. So I'm going to do a proper video of the car just so you can see around it. I have just redone the images as well, and you can see how beautiful this car is. Let me talk you around the car. So this is the famous car. So it's a 2 litre diesel GTD, 180 brake, finished in race red. You've got the wheels, which we've just refurbished in matte black. Car itself is obviously a 2015 car, which I'm sure you can tell by the registration number. Pretty much immaculate. There are a few bits on the car, but nothing that you wouldn't expect from a 2015 vehicle. Sub 100,000 miles. And we are able to offer this car at a ridiculously good price. Let me just come round to the front. There you go. See, that's the outside of the vehicle. These are the wheels, which have just been refurbished. As I said, they're matte black. You can see down the offside of that car there. Looks absolutely beautiful. And on the interior, we've got the classic Golf GTD checkered seats. Just going down, and you can see their screen. Media functions, cruise control, which is adaptive on this car. Hill hold assist. And interior is in very good condition as well. Driver's side, you can see there, multifunction steering wheel. Little focus, car's done 97,254 miles currently. And just to show you those seats, which are in excellent condition. You can see there, looking great, or my favourite word ever, fantastic. So that's the outside of the world's most famous Golf. So rest of the vehicle, Cambelt water pump's just been done, full service has just been done, wheels have been refurbished in matte black, as I said earlier, and we've got great tyres on here as well. Exterior wise, there are a few stone chips and bits and pieces on the vehicle, but nothing major at all. Car presents very well for its age and miles. Interior wise, everything's good, everything works and everything's there, which again is very important. 2 keys for the vehicle, all documented service history. We've got all the paperwork and everything for the car. Now, importantly, this car is ready to go. So if you want this car for Christmas, then I can make that happen for you. What a fantastic Christmas present this car would be for somebody. And then you'd have an internet famous car sitting on your drive on Christmas Day. How cool would that be? I will put this video up online. I will DM it to people that have asked for a DM video as well. 300,000 views online has blown our mind. Somebody will snap this car up very quickly. So it will be first come, first served. Whoever pays me a deposit on the car first and agrees a deal, they can have that car as soon as possible.